Question.
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 Then speak.
Speak.
Yes, speak. Another one.
Speak. Okay.
That one. No.
Conversation end here. So, okay, this one you can read conversation.
บริหารเนาะ conversation นี่เนาะตอบคำถาม ask and answer listening ask and answer อันตอบเนาะไปจะถามแล้วจะตอบเนาะโอเคโอเค let's start number one what class is this
This is an English class.
English class. Yeah, very good.
What are the students doing?
They are learning.
They are
They are learning to speak English.
English.
English. Yeah.
Number three. What is Mani doing?
He is standing.
He is standing up there.
Standing.
Number four. Where is Mani standing?
He is standing at his
Yes. Yes. Number five. What is Mani looking at?
He is looking at the teacher.
Other teacher.
Number
Yeah.
six. What is the teacher doing?
He is talking to Mani.
Number seven. What is the teacher asking Mani?
He is asking Mani a question.
Number eight. Are the other students studying?
No, they are sitting.
Number nine. Where are they sitting?
They are sitting at
Their desk. Number 10. What are they reading?
They are listening their English books.
Number
Yeah.
11. What lesson are they reading?
They are listening.
Last one. Where are they speaking English?
They are speaking English in class.
Here.
Okay, very good.